Let us solve the equation x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x equal to -1. Let's take this -1 to the left hand side and we write it as x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. You may think of taking x plus 1 common, taking x plus 1 common, taking x plus 1 common. But it will be much easier if we simply multiply by x minus 1. Let's do it. This implies x minus 1 into x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Observe that x equal to 1 is not a root of this equation. So somewhere we'll get x equal to 1 because we are multiplying by x minus 1, and lastly we'll conclude that x equal to 1 is not a root of this equation. Now if we multiply by x minus 1, we'll obtain x to the power 6, x into x to the power 5 is x to the power 6, plus x to the power 5, plus x to the power 4, plus x cube plus x square plus x minus x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 minus x cube minus x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. We can cancel x to the power 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. So we are simply left out with x to the power 6 minus 1 equal to 0. That we can factorize it. We can write it as x cube minus 1 whole thing into x cube plus 1 equal to 0. Now if product of two numbers is 0, one of them has to be 0. So we can say either x cube minus 1 equal to 0 or x cube plus 1 equal to 0. This can be of course if you know that the roots are given by x equal to 1 omega square, and in this case x cube equal to minus 1, so roots are given by x equal to minus 1 minus omega square. So we obtain 6 root in complex number where omega equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3I by 2. Suppose you do not know, then we first write x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Then we factorize it. X minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. That gives us x equal to 1 comma. This is a quadratic equation. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. We compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we obtain x equal to minus b. The roots are given by minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That's equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 square minus 4 into 1 by 2 into 1. That's equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3I by 2. So roots are basically, of course, if I take the other way around, x cube plus 1 equal to 0, then x cube equal to minus 1. So in that case we'll get x equal to minus 1 minus of 1 plus minus root 3I by 2. So finally, as we said earlier, x equal to 1 cannot be a solution. So solution are given by x equal to minus 1 if we are talking about only the real number. But if we are talking about both real number as well as complex number, then x equal to minus 1 omega square minus omega square, where omega equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3I by 2. So we are done.